everyone, welcome back to the video. I, Srishti Mishra, legal intern in Lex Click and Companies, going to present today's new topic, that is a landmark case, judgment, that is on Bachchan Singh versus State of Punjab in the year 1980. So, talking about this case, studying about this case study, that this case is very renowned case, that is Bachchan Singh versus State of Punjab, 1980, and this case is related to freedom to life, right to freedom and right to personal liberty and section 21 and the death penalty, that is section 302 of Indian Penal Code. So what are the facts of this case? So Bachchan Singh, a person who murdered one and then he was life imprisonment, but after coming out from that imprisonment, then after that he murdered 3 more persons. So this is a brief of the person who on behalf of which the case was there. So now talking about the main facts of this case. So Bachchan Singh was convicted and sentenced to death for the murder of 3 persons. Okay, so the death penalty, which was upheld by the High Court, appealing for by special leave, he challenged the constitutional validity of the death penalty that is provided in section 354, that is clause 3 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, CRPC, that is year 1973. So the punishment provided under the Indian Penal Code, and then other than the punishment in others, that is various others articles. Okay, so what was the question of law before court? So the question of law was whether the imposition of death penalty under section 302 of Indian Penal Code reads with section 354 of clause 3 of CRPC was arbitrary, unreasonable and unconstitutional. So whether the facts found by the lower court would be considered the special reason for avoiding the death sentence. This is the required under section, that is 354 clause 3. So now what was held by the Honorable Court? So the court said case dismissed. The court in the said case, which is Bachchan Singh versus State of Punjab case, dismissed the challenge, challenge which I told you about, the challenge he gave on the constitutional validity. The court dismissed the challenge, that is constitutionality validity of section 302 of the Indian Penal Code. So the court then what happened, that the court held that the 6 fundamental rights, that the 6 fundamental freedoms which are provided to us, guarantees under article 19 subclause 1, are not absolute right. Okay, they are firstly subjected to the inherent restraint stemming from the reciprocal obligations of one member of a civil society to sponsor the rights or as not to the injuries similar right to rights of another. So this here one more principle arise, and this is the principle that legal maxim, and I read that is sin utria tu ut alium not legis. So this was the principle, this is the legal maxim which arise, and this legal maxim means that use of own property in such a way that they do not harm anyone, that they do not harm others. Okay, okay. Now the second things which arise, the second under, that is clause 2 to clause 6. These rights has been expressly made subject to the power of the state to improve reasonable restrictions which may even extend to prohibitions of the exercise of these rights. Okay, so another expressions which came, that is the expression special reason in the context of section, that is section 354 of with clause 3 of CRPC. Obviously this means the exceptional reasons. Okay, so now moving ahead with the case, what happened that the apex court laid down the principle that is rarest of rare case. Okay, the principle was laid down in awarding of the death penalty to that person who was the murderer, and the court said that if was to give sufficient weight to the migrating circumstances pertaining to the criminal along with the aggregative substances relating to the crime. Okay, and then the another point was that the person convicted of murder, life imprisonment is the rule and death penalty is an exception. So this is the landmark case which is very important for all of us, be it CLAT student who are going to perform their going to give their entrance, be it LLM, LLB, whichever every law field. This is one of the most important case, renowned case, landmark judgment. So I hope this you find this video useful, and if you like your video, please go and smash the like button, subscribe to channel, and let me know feedback in the comment box below down. Till then, take care, goodbye.